Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money on Cash App. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to send a payment on Cash App, first thing to do is to open up your Cash App application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside your home page, if you want to send money on your Cash App, from the home page of Cash App, which looks like this, enter the amount into the text box that you would like to send. Now, tap the Pay button at the bottom right-hand corner, and on the next page, enter an email address, a phone number, or a cash tag into the to text box. Once you do that, enter what the payment is for into the for text box and tap on the Pay button at the top right-hand corner. That way, you can easily make a payment or send money on Cash App. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.